Thought this would be a cool little short video to make. Basically, I have this new soldering gun that I bought at Harbor Freight. Basically, I had the smaller one. It was like 30 watts with it was like $4. But I tried soldering things with it and it didn't work. It just wouldn't melt the solder. So I just bought this, as you can see. I just decided to do a little unboxing here. By the way, this was 15 bucks, but with a 20% discount, it came out to like $12, $11.99. So there's the gun. And oh, let me show you what I tried to solder. If I can find it here in all this mess. All right, so this is what I tried to solder with the $3 Harbor Freight, and I don't know if you could see it, but it was horrible quality, horrible. I just, don't waste your money on it. It was like $6, and then this is 15. Just spend the extra money. And why is this broken? Alright, so you get extra tips, you get a bunch of good stuff. Let's see. What's pretty important is this, the flux, because this supposedly heats it up. So we are going to, how am I supposed to do this? I guess I'm just gonna leave this right here until it gets hot, and then try to solder the wire. Right. Oh, this is a little flashlight. Oh, when I push the button, I think it turns on. Maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, alright. Self-explanatory. So this flux is supposed to help with heating up the copper in order to provide a better. Make sure, I'm doing this in my garage, so make sure you wear like a little mask, because the fumes from this stuff is pretty bad. So yeah, you don't want to inhale this stuff. Well, I mean, you know, it's never good to inhale these things. It doesn't say how long I have to hold it for. Until the soldering tip heats up. How are you supposed to know until it heats up? I guess we'll, I don't know, experiment. Can I put this shit on? Oh shoot, I see it heating up. Oh man, that's crazy. I think it just changed. What's up, guys? So quick update. If you get the Harbor Freight kit, make sure you don't use the core, the flux, I mean the solder it comes with. Don't use this garbage, because it's garbage. I literally tried, this is me trying to solder this thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Horrible soldering. Then I went to Home Depot and bought some actual real electrical leaded 6040 rosin core, and look at the difference. Mint. Look, it came out so much better with so much less effort. Like, so the gun is great. Solders, you need to buy a different solder. So now I'm gonna start soldering up these wires for the fans, and then put some heat shrink wrap on them, and then the wires should be good.